G'day cocktail lovers, it's February, we're coming up on Valentine's Day. Maybe you want a very special drink to impress someone, or maybe just for yourself for Valentine's Day. Well, if you're looking for inspiration, you need to look for #LovePotion2023, the third annual Valentine's Challenge, and that's from Rob from Rob's Home Bar, Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, and Dave from Booze on the Rocks. If you search that hashtag, not just on YouTube, Instagram and other social media as well, you'll find some great ideas. But here's my contribution. It's called the Submarine Kiss. The first thing you want to do is get a champagne flute and put about 1/3 of an ounce of a red liqueur in the bottom. I'm using a cherry liqueur. You can use what you've got, or you could even use grenadine. Put that aside and we're going to make the rest of the cocktail. In your shaker, we're going to put 2 ounces of gin. And to fit the mood, I decided to go with a pink gin. To that, we add 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of lemon juice, and then about 1/3 of an ounce or 10 mils of sugar syrup. And to make it look nice, put something to make it foamy, either an egg white or aquafaba. I'm using a few drops of Wonderfoam. Give that a good hard shake for about 15 seconds, and then we strain that into the flute over our red drink, and that's going to have a bit of a blending effect. And then I'm topping it off with some bubbles because it's Valentine's Day. The rules for the challenge are simple. It's going to be pink or red. I've got my pinky red going on here. A chocolate garnish, a nice little chocolate heart on the rim of my glass, and use the hashtag LovePotion2023. Now this is essentially a slightly sweetened gin sour turned into a gin fizz. I'm liking the sound of it. It tastes good too. Great thing to go with a Valentine's Day dinner, I would think. Give it a go, and like I said, check the hashtag out. You'll find some very interesting ideas for Valentine's Day cocktails. This is the Submarine Kiss, and I will see you another time. Until I do see you, I'll say cheers.